Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date to the desired one. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and by swiping choose the time you want to apply. Now the time zone, just tap on it and here we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones. So simply find yours and then tap on it and it will be immediately applied. You can also decide what kind of time format you want to use. You can use either 12-hour format or 24-hour one. Just tap on the specific option to apply it. And then the dual clock, which means that your device will display two different clocks from two different places. The first one from the place of your current where you're currently in, and the second one from the place of your choice. Simply tap on the switcher and now you can choose the second clock and decide how you will display it. So basically this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.